money on my mind, I got my G-Shock watch. Plus I'm super fly. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my
What's up, YouTube, ladies and gentlemen? Today I bring you the nice Gulfmaster GN1000. Very beautiful watch. Yet another review. GN1000 C-8 Atom. Retails for about $300. You could find these for about $200, maybe $150, $160. Great watch for the price. A lot of functionality. Not the high-end models. Doesn't have atomic multiband 6 and it's not solar. So that's one of the drawbacks on this watch. If you prefer atomic, if you prefer solar, you would have to go with a GWN version 1000, which gives you and affords you all those additional features, which I highly recommend. But for the price, I think you still can't go wrong with this beautiful piece. So let's go over some details, some of the aesthetics and some of the functions and features of this beautiful watch. And please leave any comments if you have any questions, if I miss anything. Okay, firstly, let's start off with the design. You have white band on this white watch with blue accents. Twin sensor tight graph on the band there. World time, as you can see, I've worn this a couple times, a little dusty. World time, water, 20 bar resist. You're going to see a lot of blue and white details on this watch throughout the watch. For example, there you have the blue rubber around the metal button, metal clasp, double band holder. Again, this is a Gulfmaster intended for water use. So they do add two additional band holders, or two band holders instead of one, to help you and protect you against water conditions, you know, anything that requires the use of water. And then you also have this grip here to again help you control that band. Okay, let's go to some additional details. You'll see the ring around the bezel here is blue with white font. Let me show you a little more detail there. You can see the beautiful blue bezel right around there. Okay, you have inside, you have some more additional blue there, the Gulfmaster, the blue tide mode button, and then the tide graph and blue beautiful glossy metallic look. Another cool design about this Gulfmaster is around the rings, about the hour hands, you have the blue outlining on each of the dials. Hard to tell, but they're there. I'm not sure it captures them. Same with the hour hand and the minute hand. They have blue accents on the tail end, as well as the hour hand has the entire hand in blue and white. Okay, look at the back plate of this watch. It said GN1000C 5442 module. Band is reinforced by the screw on the bottom there. Not a lot of models have that. And now let's go over some of the functions and features on this watch. You have time mode, tide mode, world time, stopwatch, timer, alarm, and then back to your home time. The digital display will display the date and the seconds. You can also put the time under in digital, 224, to match the analog hands, and the day of the week. Okay, the compass button is right here on the side. Beautiful blue, this kind of resin or plastic on the side there. The temperature is activated by this button here. There goes your temperature reading right there. Beautiful, easy. It's not a negative display, so it's a easy legible display there. Back to home time. Tide, it's on the bottom there for high or low tide. World time, you have the different world time indicators around the bezel there. Changing by pressing this button. for your desired world time. And you can see that this digital display marks the time according to the city you desire. Okay. Stopwatch, timer, alarm, very common features. To set the time on this beautiful piece, press and hold the adjust button. You'll see the adjust button, the adjust indication on the LED, and then followed by the hour hand or the hour and minute time blinking. To change it, you click on the mode button to change between the date, time, year, month, date, key if you want to mute it or not, and then how long you want the light. You want it 1 or 3 seconds. I think it's like 3.5 seconds or something like that. Go back and then press the adjustment to exit the time change, and there you have it. That's how you change your time. And let's take a look at the beautiful LED light. It's going to be hard to see in the light here. Actually can't activate it while the hour hand is going back, so let it go back to 227 and then it'll let me operate the light. Boom, right there. Okay, there you have it. There's a beautiful LED. It's only got a single LED. It's not dual LED. Some watches have dual. This is just single. It still is very bright, more than what you need, I would say. The hour hands are also luminescent, so in the dark they bright up really nice. For night conditions, reading in the night, another cool feature. Highly recommend this watch. Let's check out the compass. Push the button, hour hand will give you the north position. No matter where you're turning, a point to north. Gives you the degree there. And I believe you could change that to, I forget which button it is. There you go. To digital, to give you a digital reading of the position of the G-Shock 12-hour hand. So wherever you're pointing your 12-hour hand, it will digitally tell you the positioning. Okay. Exit by pressing this button again. Home button, the mode button to give you back to the home time, and you're out of the digital compass. All right. Don't forget, you also have a moon, little moon. It's very small. It's not intended for the moon functionality, but it's there in case you need it. So you have moon, tide, digital compass, and temperature readings, all on this twin sensor Gulfmaster. All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this review. It's a quick one. Hopefully I covered all of the bases, all the functionalities, and all the beautiful aspects of this gorgeous GN1000 Mudmaster. Thanks for watching. Until next time, holla at your boy. I'm out of here. Peace.
Money on my mind, I got my G-Shock watch. Plus I'm super fly. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my